Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the real-time object size and area detection. So this is the about us page. Let's open the camera and we have to provide the video link, or you can also give the IP camera. So it will detect the object and detect the size of object. It will try to measure the object size. You can see like 4.4 inches. And 16.9 square inches. Let's minimize it. Can click on the stop camera. So camera will stop, and again click on the start the camera. Now it will recognize the size of that particular card. This is the Delhi Metro card. It will recognize the size of that particular card. Let's stop the camera. 3.5 inches and 7.9 square inches. Now it is detecting the 1 inches and 1.1 square inch. It is detecting the coin size. Let's remove it, and I'm just putting the watch in front of camera. Let's click on the start the camera. Now it is calculating the size of the particular watch. 5.6 inch and 2 inch. Let's stop the camera. So this project will calculate the size of particular object, and it will calculate the area of that particular object. We can just place any object in front of camera. Let's giving the pen, and it will calculate the 6.5 inch and 0.7 inch. It will calculate the height, width and the area, like 4.6 square inch. We can place any object in front of camera, and we are accessing the IP camera like we are just access from the phone camera. This is the complete project, and if you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon, and if you are searching any project, then you can comment in the comment section. Okay, we'll put the information related to project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.